All right, early morning out here. Uncle Stewie's got the fucking goods.
What's that?
This little vagabond. We go wake the boys up for a little bass fishing. Let's see if these little butt nuggets are awake. Apparently we gotta do this in the morning while the fish are biting. Oh yeah, it's cold in here. Uh-oh, they're sleeping. I don't think they want to go bass fishing, even though me and Stewie just got bait. I don't know if these guys are into bass fishing. Even though me and Uncle Stewie just went and got a whole bunch of bait to go bass fishing right now. Oh, they might be waking up. Who just farted? Cammy. We're ready to go. You gotta do the bass fishing early in the morning. Rise and shine, butt nuggets.
No. Daddy, can I wear my pajama shorts this early, Daddy?
This is where the bite's on, Uncle Stewie says. When the water's cold, you wait too long, they go away. All right, get ready, boys. Let me get you some cereal going. You might want to wear a sweatshirt out there. It's kind of chilly, or long. How you feeling, bud?
Good.
You ready to tear it up?
Taking the canoe.
Oh, hell yeah. We went and got bait. We just drove like an hour to go get these special little fish called shiners.
I want to see what a shiner looks like.
Oh, dude, they're big.
What are they? They're almost like a giant shrimp, I think.